Hey everyone, Glenn Orgin here. Are you scared shitless about your financial future? You're not alone. Today we're diving into how you can make $100 a month using some of the best modern tools and methods. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But first, here's a riddle. What's something you can create that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep? Stick around to the end to find out. Making money online can feel overwhelming with all of the options out there. Today, I'm going to give you the concrete steps and tools you need to succeed. We'll cover everything from e-commerce to content creation and the essential payment tools to ensure you get paid. Stick around until the end because I have a special bonus tip that could skyrocket your earnings. First, let's talk about investing in stocks and shares. Investing in stocks is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. If you have any savings sitting in a savings account earning 0.01% interest, they're not really doing much for you. By investing in stocks, particularly index funds like the S&P 500, you get to earn solid return over time. So for example, if you invest $12,000 in the S&P 500, you could earn about $100 a month on average, giving a 10% annual return. Starting difficulty for this is I give it 1 out of 5 stars. Making $100 a month this way, 3 out of 5 stars. And maintaining this strategy, 1 out of 5 stars. It's a set it and forget it strategy for you. Next up, starting a YouTube channel. Well, we're all here, so it's easy to start one right after watching this video. This is my favorite because it's very easy and you can just go to YouTube straight after this. However, making compelling content that attracts views is the hard part. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to start monetizing. To make $100 a month this way, you need about 50,000 views, assuming a $2 CPM rate. Starting difficulty a month, 4 out of 5 stars. Maintaining this method, about 2 out of 5 stars. Once you hit your stride and you have consistency, it gets a lot easier. How about starting a podcast? It's easy to start a YouTube channel, but harder to grow. Use platforms like Anchor or Riverside.fm to make this happen. Making money from podcasts typically involves a brand deal. To make $100 a month, you need about 4,000 downloads per month with a decent sponsorship. Affiliate marketing is another great option. You promote other people's products and earn a commission. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or Skillshare. So for example, if you have a product worth about $50 and get 5% commission, you need about 8,000 visits to make $100 a month. Starting difficulty, I give it 2 out of 5 stars. Making $100 a month this way, about 3.5 stars. Maintaining this method, about 1 out of 5 stars. Selling digital products like eBooks, templates, or software can also be lucrative. Create the product once and sell it multiple times. The key is to solve a problem that people are willing to pay for. So find a problem, create a solution, and help those that need it. The starting difficulty for this method, 2 out of 5 stars. Making $100 a month this way, 3 out of 5 stars. Maintaining this method, 2 out of 5 stars. Creating online courses is similar to selling digital products, but usually involves more content. Platforms like Skillshare make it easy to reach students. You need about 28 students watching a 1-hour class per month to make starting difficulty, 2 out of 5 stars. Making $100 a month this way, 3 out of 5 stars. And maintaining this method, about 2 out of 5 stars. Creating a membership or community model like Patreon is great if you have an existing audience. You can offer exclusive content or perks to members that follow you. This way, about 4 out of 5 stars, and maintaining this method, about 3.5 stars. Finally, building an app or a website that you've been thinking about for a long time can be highly profitable. It requires technical skills and a great idea. Websites like Indie Hackers share stories of successful entrepreneurs in this space that use ChatGPT as an add-on for their creativity. Starting difficulty, 5 out of 5 stars. Making 100 in this method is 3 out of 5 stars because you've got to put in a lot of work and thought behind it. Now, let's take a look at some investment strategies recommended by Vanguard. Vanguard suggests focusing on a diversified portfolio that includes both bonds and equities. They see higher interest rates as a positive development for long-term investors, providing a solid foundation for risk-adjusted returns. Investing in global and US bonds as well as equities is advisable with projections of annual returns ranging from 4.2 to 9%. Remember to do your own research. To sum up, choose the right business model, leverage the power of social media, and use the best tools to streamline your income. Remember, making $10,000 a month is achievable with the right strategies and dedication. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your skills, and don't care about what anyone else thinks. And here's the special bonus tip I promised. Consider diversifying your investments into bonds and equities as recommended by Vanguard. Higher interest rates can provide better long-term returns, making this a sound strategy for building wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content made just for you. And don't forget to check out the link in the description for more making money. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glenn Follow, and let's build wealth together one step at a time. And I'll see you in the next one.